Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bagel pizza in oven. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees F and slice bagels in half. Spread sauce evenly, add cheese and toppings to each half. Build a balanced layer so every bite has sauce, cheese, and topping. Bake until cheese bubbles and edges brown, then cool briefly for a crisp, handheld meal that makes weeknight dinners easy and fun. Choose toppings that cook quickly and complement melty cheese for the best results. Thin slices of pepperoni or vegetables lock into the cheese and brown nicely in a hot oven. Use a moderate amount of sauce so the bagel stays crisp and avoid overloading with wet toppings. Try mixing cheeses for gooey texture and flavor depth, and consider finishing with fresh herbs after baking for brightness and aroma. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for kitchen timers, music, and hands-free recipe help, and it fits neatly on a counter. You can ask it to set timers while you bake bagel pizzas and stream playlists for a fun cooking vibe. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For consistent results, preheat your oven and use a hot sheet or rack to crisp the bottom. Watch them closely after 8 minutes, since bagels brown quickly and toppings can overcook. Rotate the pan if your oven has hot spots to ensure even melting and browning. Allow a short resting period so the cheese sets a bit, making the slices easier to handle and delivering perfect texture in each bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.